Then we also have decimals. You can be asked to convert a particular decimal number to whether 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, etc. We also have approximations where we will be asked to convert or to approximate a particular value or number to some significant figures, which are usually termed number of non-zero digits. Then we also have percentages. Majorly, percentages that are tested are usually the business mathematics. Also, we also have percentage error, where percentage error is equal to the error over the actual measurement times 100%. Candidates should be able to perform basic operations illustrated above on fractions and decimals. Secondly, express to specify number of significant figures and decimal places. Then thirdly, calculate the simple interest, profit and loss percentage, ratio, proportion and rate. Let's all see most commonly tested UTME questions under these subtopics discussed earlier. Question: evaluate the following in figure 1.1a below. Now, in figure 1.1a, these are the 2 questions that we are to attend to. To attend to this first question, which says that evaluates 1.25 times 0.025 divided by 0.05. To attempt this question or to solve this question, what you need to do is to count the number of decimal. The number of decimal here is 2, is to 2 decimal places, and this one is to 3 decimal places. That means we have to operate based on 5 0, 2 plus 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 100,000. So we find a fraction of this of itself, which will now be 100,000 over 100,000. So we now use it to multiply this fraction. So by doing so, we have times 100,000 over 100,000. So this, to remove the decimal here, it will 20 will take it off, and you have 125. Then the remaining 3, this goes with that. Then you have times 25 over the denominator. You have 2 decimal places, so 2 zeros go. 2 zeros go with that. Then you have 5 times what is left here. That is 1,000. Now 5 year 1, 5 year 5. 5 year 1, 5 year 200. 5 year 2, 5. 5 year 4, 0. Then we'll have 25 over 40, which you can still do. 5 year 5, 5 year 8. So we have 5 over 8. Take these 2 decimal points, then we'll have 5 divided by 8, and that is 0.625. So this is the answer to this first question. Then the second one also, it follows the same trend. 0.026 times 0.36 divided by 0.69. You also count the number of decimal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, making it 5. So we also multiply by fraction of these 5 zeros. So that's 100 over another 100. The essence why we are doing this is to remove the decimal. Since this divided by this gives us 1, and and 1 times this fraction, we still have this fraction back. So the essence of this is to remove the decimal so that it can make our simplification easier. Now in doing so, then you have 3 decimal. 3 decimal goes with 3 zeros, so you have 26. 2 decimal goes with 2 zeros, you have times 36 over, this is 2 decimal, it goes with 2 zeros, then you have 69 times 1000. So we have 26, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, 2, 3. So we have 26 times 12 over 1000 times this, that's 2003. So we have 23,000 rather, 23,000. Then we can now resolve this. 26 times 12 gives 312 divided by 23,000. So we have divided by 23,000. That will give us 0.0136. So which is 0.01362 4 decimal places. As to 4 decimal places, we have it as 0.0136, and these are the respective answers for these 2 questions. This one, this is the answer, and the second one, this is the answer. Then the question number 3 asks us to evaluate and correct to 4 significant figures. So also we can also figure that out to count the number of decimal 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that one is 6. So in that situation, the denominator 3 plus 2 plus 2, that is 7. So in this situation, we can also solve this. Since you always you are always mindful of the number of decimal that is on the high side. In this situation, we have 3, 2, 1, making it 6. Here we have 2, 2, 3, making it 7. So in that situation, we have, initially we use 100,000, so we can result to something like, because this is 2, 2, 3, so we can result to 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in that situation, then we have 7 zeros over 7 zeros too. The essence why we are doing this is to remove the decimal so that life can be easier for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times what we have, 0.8 times 0.43 times 0.031. That's it over that other fraction, 0.05 times 0.72 times 0.021. So by so doing, this first one, 1 0, remove this, you have 8. This one, 2 0, remove this, you have times 43. The next one, 3 zeros, remove this, so you have 31. 3 zeros, you have 1 0 times 10 over this one, 2 0, remove this, you have 5. 2 0 goes with this, 5. Then this one, 2 zeros goes with this 2, that is 72. Then this one, 3 zeros times 21. Now, here we now look at how we can reduce this fraction that we have. So 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 36, 4 here 2, 4 here 9. So the number that we have now, we have 2 times 43 times 31 over 9 times 21. So here we can now, since the question asks us to convert to 4 significant figures, so we can use our mathematical instrument to resolve what we have, which is 2 times 43 times 31 divided by 9 divided by 21. So we have 14.1058, and we should be mindful of the instruction given to us, which says that evaluate correct to first significant figure. So if you're having this number, now to first significant figure, that means we have 4 non-zero digits. This is the first one, second one, the third one, and this is the fourth one. And here, since this is the fourth one, and the number next to that is 5, because if you have 5 to 9, we round it up as 1. When you have 0 to 4, we round it down 0. So since the number that is next to this fourth significant figure is 5, so we round it up. So 1 comes to this place. 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 0, 1. Then we have 14.11. So this is to 4 significant figure. Now, on question number 4, which is 12.02 times 20.06 over 26.04 times